Hello, welcome to Chapter 6, Lesson 2. This is scan the lesson, predict two things we'll learn about numerical expressions. I know one thing is we're going to do a lot of review on the order of operations. Real world link. This is the table shows the cost of different snacks at a concession stand at the school hockey game. So if we get 3 popcorns, it's going to be $6. 4 hot dogs is going to be $16. I'm doing this because popcorn is 2, so it's 2, 2, 2. So it's 3 times 2 equals 6. And then this is going to be 4 times 4 equals 16. Find the total cost of buying 3 boxes of popcorn and 4 hot dogs. That's going to be 6 plus 16 equals $22. What operations could you use in exercise 1 and 2? Explain how to find the answer in exercise 3 using these operations. So what we could have done is 2 times 3 plus 4 times 4. So we used multiplication and addition. We must multiply before we add. Alright, key concepts. Order of operations. Simplify the expressions inside grouping symbols like parentheses. Find all values of powers, multiply and divide in order from left to right, add and subtract in order from left to right. So a lot of us are familiar with PEMDAS. This is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So it's parentheses, exponents, and then multiply, divide, then addition, and subtraction. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So multiply and divide, those are the same order. You just go from left to right. Same with addition and subtraction, left to right, because those do not have any, they're the same value. Like addition and subtraction, you don't do one or the other, you go from left to right. So number 1 says 10 minus 2 plus 8. So this is subtraction and addition. We just go from left to right. So 10 minus 2 plus 8. 10 minus 2 is 8. So we have 8 plus 8. We get 16. Now example 2, we have 4 plus 3 times 5. If we look at the order of operations, multiplying is ahead of addition. So we're going to multiply first. So 3 times 5 equals 15, and then 4 plus 15 equals 19. So go ahead and try A and B. So for A, we have multiplications before addition, so we have 30, and then 10 plus 30 equals 40. For B, we have division and multiplication, but those are in the same values. So 16 divided by 2 is 8 times 4 equals 32. So remember, multiplication is ahead of addition, but multiplication and division are in the same order, so it's just from left to right. So now we're going to be doing some expressions with parentheses and exponents. By the way, an expression is no equal sign. So number 3, there's no equal sign, so that's why it's an expression. So we look at, it says find the value of each expression. we have division, addition, multiplication, and parentheses. So we're going to do the parentheses first. So 9 minus 6 equals 3. And that's where we get, and that's how we get this 3 here, because that was in the parentheses. Now there's no exponents. I'm going to go ahead and just make division. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So next we have multiplication, division. We have 20 divided by 4, and that's going to equal 5. And then 17 times 3 is going to equal 51. So now we do the last step, addition. So 5 plus 51 equals 56. Example 4, I'm going to do over here to the side. We have no parentheses, so we move down to exponents. We do have exponents, 6 times 6. So we have 3 times 36 plus 4. Multiplications before addition, so 3 times 36 is going to be 108. And then our final answer is going to be 112. It's number 5. So we have to do inside the parentheses first. And inside the parentheses, we have 8 squared. So now we do the order of operations again. So we have to do the 8 squared. So 8 times 8 equals 64. So we're going to have 64 minus 2. So 64 minus 2 is 62. Now we have addition and multiplication. We're going to do multiplication first. So it's going to be 124 plus 5. And that's going to be 129. So I'm going to make a little notes. That way you guys can see it. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That way that's going to help you guys with your C and D. So go ahead and pause the video. So we're going to do parentheses first. I'm going to do this step by step. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Divided by 5 minus 12. Now, multiplication, division, I just do from left to right. So 25 times 3 equals 75. 75 divided by 5, I believe that's 15. Minus 12 equals 3. I'm going to do parentheses first. So 24 divided by this, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So I have 24 divided by 12, because I'm doing parentheses first. Now, 24 divided by 12 is going to equal 2. We have to use the order of operations. It says write an expression for the total cost of 5 lotions, 2 candles, and 4 lip balms. So lotions 5, so 5 times 5. Candles, we're getting 2, so 2 times 7. 4 lip balms is $2 each, so 4 times 2. And then we just find the order of all the operations. So 5 times 5 is 5 squared, which equals 25. And then 2 times 7 is 14. And then 4 times 2 is going to be 8. So we end up with 25 plus 14 plus 8. And that's going to equal $47. So go ahead and try E. So Alexis and 3 friends are at the mall. So that means if it's Alexis and 3 friends, it's going to be 4 people. So we have 4 people, and they each bought a pretzel for $4. So with 4 people, they each got a sauce for $1. And with 4 people, they each got a drink for $2. So now we have to solve all of these. So first, we have 4 times 4 is 16, plus 4 times 1 equals 4, plus 4 times 2 equals 8. So we're going to have $28. And that's the end of the video. So thank you for watching.